Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust your brush size and hardness while editing your images. Now, I have this image that I want to paint, so what I'll do is I'll select the brush tool, then I'll reduce the opacity. I'll put mine at 50%. Now, instead of having to come over here, click and then adjust the size and so on, there's another cool way that you can do it. If you're using Windows, you'll hold Alt down, then right click on your mouse. Now, to make it larger, drag it to the right, and you can see the changes that are over here. If you want to make it smaller, drag it to the left. So I'll make mine a little larger, then you just come and paint over where you want to paint, like that. Let's say you want to change the hardness or softness of it, so I'm going to change the color here. Select a different color, take a green, click OK. Now I want to make it soft or hard. Let's say I want to make it hard. All I have to do is hold down Alt again, right click, then move my mouse upwards. So that will make it super soft. If I move it up, if I want to make it hard, I'll move it down. And as you can see, it will show you the hardness. Now right now it's at 60%. If I go on, it will be at 70, so on until we're at 100%. Now it's 100% hard, so I can come here and paint in here like that. So that's how you adjust the brush size and hardness in Photoshop.